The ultimate Sunshineloanscom review. Tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. If you're looking for a quick loan, most people get this wrong by choosing lenders without checking credibility or fees. The surprising truth about Sunshineloanscom is that it offers fast, convenient online loans with clear terms and competitive interest rates. First, understand the loan options. You won't believe how flexible they are. Short-term personal loans with repayment plans designed to suit different income levels. This transparency makes it easier to manage finances responsibly. Next, the application process. Most people get this wrong by expecting long waits. Sunshineloanscom provides a simple online form that takes just a few minutes. Once approved, funds can be deposited directly into your account within 24 hours. Look at eligibility and requirements. The surprising truth is that approval doesn't require perfect credit. Basic documentation like proof of income and bank account details are enough to get started. Finally, consider user feedback. You won't believe how many customers praise the speed, reliability, and customer support. Real experiences show that timely communication and clear guidance set this service apart from other lenders. In conclusion, Sunshineloanscom can take you from zero to pro in managing short-term financial needs. By understanding loan options, completing a simple application, checking requirements and reviewing user experiences, you can access funds quickly and safely. Smart borrowing ensures you meet urgent financial needs without stress.